Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to my live stream. Waiting on some more users to join. I don't know if individuals will be interested in watching. It's going to be a very slow. Oh, I see. Low resolution. Let me check. Settings, English, stream, output. Is it Um, is it low resolution forever or it streams a little bit better after some time? Can you hear me? I don't know. Is it bad for everybody? I don't have any viewer right now. I see. Okay. Analytics. It says stream is healthy. Stream settings. Stream ultra low latency. Let me try changing the properties for the chart to black, and then the crosshair will be white and text will be then white, right? So apply. Is this better? Uh, will this make the stream look better? Okay, thanks, Ganesh. That's awesome. Um Let me say that in the template and okay, let me see. Top chat, closed caption, analytics, stream health, so edit, public restrictions none, streaming software. comments, allow all comments. I'm not sure why chat is not enabled. Pop out chat, participants, concurrent viewers are three. Um, are you are you watching it on like a mobile device or on a browser? Maybe that may be a problem because can you see this message? Can you see my chat on the video on YouTube? If not, then I don't know. We can keep chatting here, but I will figure out what's wrong with it later. Um, okay, this crosshair needs to be white. I don't think chat crosshair. It's not black. Properties. Yeah, it is white. Properties. All right, so let me save this as template. Hack template save, and then I will try to load this here. Yeah, that's perfect. And I will do it to the third tab as well. Cancel. Okay, so I have this NQ daily chart. We are in a very bullish pattern, and uh, ever since the first week of Jan, we did test some lows, and then we have rallied ever since. So we had gotten quite a few green days, and I think if we see from the highs in the December, mid-December, and draw like a Fibonacci retracement. Um, I'm I'm seeing like we are going to hit 61% retracement pretty soon. Right now we are trading at 11,600, and 11,733 is going to be the area of interest, which I have already marked here. And we will see what happens if this rally continues beyond the 61% retracement, or we will see a sell-off. But I do think that it is going to sell off after it closes around 11,733. And it may not happen. tomorrow. It may happen on Tuesday, but because tomorrow US markets are closed because of the Martin Luther King holiday, the birthday of Martin Luther King. And uh, today I just wanted to try this streaming out because I used to stream a while ago, and since then a lot of has changed. Markets have become active even in the evening sessions, and there is considerable amount of activity that happens. I can't stream during the US session as I have a full-time job, and uh, I wanted to see if I can make some trades in the evening while streaming live and see how the experience is. So right now, if we see what's going on, hold on one second. All right, not this one. I need to have market analyzer. So we are at break even, 4 minus 4.50, and the markets opened at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and right now we are at hour and 30 minutes into the market. So uh, yeah, I see. I don't see anybody typing in the chat. Oh, actually, you know what? Uh, Thank you, Blake. I just saw your message, and looks like we are able to communicate on YouTube chat as well. Thank you, Blake. And yeah, as Blake mentioned, if you reduce your pixel to 1080p, then I think the stream is looking good. So please do so to improve, you know. And so let me put this on Apex Trading Group as well, so we can see if we can get more audience. All right. So basically, we are at break even. ES is 2 points up, and NQ is 2.75 down. So I have another window over here, which I'm trying to see where I can fit it in. Maybe I can reduce this super dome, and then I can adjust market analyzer over here. This gives like a information on the net change. I like to see where we are from yesterday's close. This is my 15 minutes chart. I have some indicators over here. This is the green worm that you see is EMA. Hold on, I can click this and explain. So I have a 14 period EMA which is green, and then the 21 period EMA which is red. So I do have some automated strategies as well that I have uh, written that sometimes I use. Right now, as we are at break even, I don't think I'm going to do anything right away. Hold on, trying to fit this chart. Okay, this looks much better. Yeah, so I have VWAP as well, with this being the VWAP, and then automatically my Ninja Trader has resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3 also plotted. That can be, target from VWAP, and then um, entry and exit strategy, like when you are in. Uh, Basically, I'm trying to do some scalping tonight, and see how it behaves. With my 15-minute chart, let me do the F. Okay, so it will try to. Okay, it went all the way to 609. Uh, we are approaching that 8 o'clock time window where we will see a s- flurry of activity at that time. Um, if I see my 1 day chart, like that's looking more bullish. 15 minutes is also bullish. It's been, so we started here, we got a big downward bar in the first 15 minutes, and then slowly it has retraced all the way back. If we do a fib retracement since open, it has uh, it has passed the 61% retracement. So I see we are going to move higher, and I will try to get long. To get long, what will be the good entry point, right? So 593 is what I'm trying to see if I can put like a long order for now. So 593 by limit,
Order
and
submitted.
uh, I'm going to have my stop loss to today's low, which is 581. Um,
Order submitted.
and it is going to be not a whole lot, 81 to 93 is like on one NQ is $200 risk. Uh, so we'll see. What happens. Mm, don't like ES also falling a little bit here. Uh, Hold on, let me also bring my YouTube chat. If okay, nothing. So I have like some viewers. Thank you for joining. So I plan on streaming live every evening, and it will be helpful if you don't have a subscription to my stream. I'm trying to, um, you know, have that 1,000 subscription mark. So please do subscribe if you are not my subscriber for the YouTube channel. Again, it's just more educational. I want to uh, share with the traders what I have learned over the period of years, and then also um, learn from you. So It will be really awesome if you guys can subscribe, which will encourage me to, do these streams on daily basis. There is a possibility that this may not get filled over there, so I'm going to move it up by maybe a tick or two. Again, today is going to be a very quiet day, so it's more looking at the market than rather than trading. 606. I might as well do a s- short scalping trade uh, on the short side. So let's say I'm going to put a
Order submitted.
sell order at 604.75, and then I have a stop limit for the day's high.
Order submitted.
So uh, very small risk trades. The day's high, hold on, maybe it's not right. I don't know.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm short at 604.75 and want to
Order
buy
submitted.
for a very small scalp. So let's see. This is a $60 risk to make some two and four, 40, $45. We'll see. We'll see if it makes a new high for the day. Actually, I got it wrong. The day's high is 1619. I was on the 3 minute chart. I was not looking correctly, so we'll see. We may get out of this trade. I don't know why I thought that this is days high. All right,
Order
can
filled.
okay, there you go. So
Order
yeah,
canceled.
yeah, just did once trade which I don't think I should have done it. So the original idea of getting it at 594 still stays. So go to my 15-minute chart. Much easier to draw the levels. No, not the. So it has to be even above that 98. We'll get some activity at around 8 p.m. Eastern time, so I'm waiting on that as well. Not much going on. Let's see what happens in another 7 minutes at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So while we are waiting, would like to share my last year's experience. Okay. consistency is a key in trading that we all know. Um, Last year, I started an account with Tradeovate, and was I, I I started my own personal account with $3,500 in it, and I was on a roll. In like a month or less than a month, I would say, that account grew to $70,000. And I mean, I can share pictures. I have screenshots of that account value. And I was so happy. I was thinking, like, you know what? Maybe I have learned how to trade. And then came the bad, uh, I would say, bad days of trading. Like we all do have those experiences, right? And I ended the year, that was sometime in June of 2022. I ended that year at break even, which kind of sucks. So I did some study and saw where I went wrong, and it's basically consistency is the key, and this is what I want to do this year is, like how to be consistent, right, throughout the trading period. So we all are like uh, there. We know we can make this our uh, main source of income, but we are all missing that one thing in trading, like and once we are able to solve that puzzle, we can we can achieve what we are all looking for is financial independence, not worry about doing our day-to-day jobs, So that's what the plan is this year is um, replicate what good we did last year and then not commit the mistake that we did where some days were not profitable. So, well, as we approach the 8 p.m. Uh, Eastern time, looks like it's still going up. Another big green bar for the 15-minute chart. And let's see how it goes. Still have my 598.50 long, which I plan to go. That's another thing about trading is like patience, right? Uh, not to follow, not to follow the market uh, and the fills. Let the market and come to you and get your fill. So the reason I moved it little bit higher was of the Fibonacci retracement. Again, like we can get a confirmation there. The other way around. I keep doing it the wrong way. So 596.48 is the 61% retracement. So anything between the 50 and 61 is the long entry. And 40 seconds away from the 8 Eastern time. So let's see. And we'll see some activity now in 6 seconds. There you go. Not that big of a move as expected, but we'll see. So it did come right near the 14-day period and then moved up. So that sucks. It does suck. It did not come to find 98. Not much happening. If it goes to 612, I will definitely go. Actually, that will be my target if I get filled at 598.50. On the bigger chart, still have way to go up, right? Another 100 points before we are going to see some sell-off. So definitely when it may not happen tonight, it may happen on Tuesday, but watch for this particular level where 710, it's going to be a good shorting idea. Hmm. Let's feel little itchy of going long here. I don't know whether this will get filled or not, but that's one thing we can do is go long right now here and then average it out with another contract. This is VWAP, this is the 21 period moving average, and this is the 14 period. everything is pointing to long. So, hmm,
Order
okay,
submitted.
going one contract long at 604. I'm going to leave the 598 one as well. That will be the target 612. Mm, mm, mm. Well, it did not get filled, which sucks. Hmm, 805. Okay, we'll see. Maybe it will get filled now.
Order canceled.
I'm going to move my stop over here. Sell stop limit and then two contracts
Order
because we
submitted.
will be long two contracts if both are filled. Mhm. Okay, it went without taking me. That sucks. It's going up.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
I'm going to go long. I don't know. My target is 612. Let's see if 608 gets filled or not. No, NQ has turned positive. It's not just getting filled today. Maybe now.
Order filled.
Yep. So we got filled. Let's put the sell
Order
at
submitted.
612.50. That's the second resistance. Okay.
Order canceled.
Let's just stick to
Order
one
canceled.
contract and then we'll see sell stop limit
Order
594.
submitted.
Didn't like how it did not fill me at 604 here. Otherwise, could have been a nice scalping trade. So NQ is at break even, ES is 0.50 from Friday's close. Don't like the doji bar, but let's see how it goes. And double top at 610.50 is also not good. So first 15 minutes bar is a green bar. It's coming to close in 2 minutes. Okay,
Order
take me.
filled.
There you go.
Order
So
canceled.
it was a good scalp. It could have been better. I took two trades. One was like I took it erroneously. So for the day, I would say took two trades with $105 in profit. And as you can see, with this resistance at 612.50, it has sold off and came almost to break even. So that was a good exit point. It could have been a better trade if we got filled in here, right, at 604. Instead, we got filled in a little later, so our profit became less. So, all right, this is how I'm going to trade. Again, it is going to be a very quiet day today, as it's Martin Luther King birthday tomorrow, so US markets are closed, so you won't see much activity. But if you are all interested in watching my live stream, please do subscribe and uh, plan on going live every evening. And uh, depending on how the markets are behaving, this may go until uh, 10 p.m. in the night or 11 p.m. in the night if there is a lot of activity going on. So please, 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 please subscribe, and which will encourage me to go live on daily basis. Again, this is Andy, and thank you for joining today, and hope to see you again. So yeah, Blake, I just saw your question. No, for NQ trading, I don't use Renko. I do use the 3 minutes, 15 minutes, and daily NQ charts, and also daily charts are to figure out more long-term targets, right? And because it's a holiday weekend, there's not much going on, right? With 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 NQ, I also do use tick charts, which again, the tick charts are more important during the day session when there is a lot of liquidity. Obviously, in the nighttime, the markets are not liquid enough, so I don't like trading with the tick charts. Um, Again, if you guys don't have any questions, then I will try to sign off tonight. But again, if you can keep on subscribing, and if you want me to go live on daily basis in the evening, please let me know in the comments, and we can gather here virtually and learn something together. Thank you and have a good night.